In this video, I'm going to teach you how to graph negative integers on a number line. So if we have a problem like this that says graph the points minus 15 and minus 7, and here we have our number line. So let me take you through some of the tricks to remember for a number line. So here's 0. We could see that numbers from here onwards are positive integers, and numbers from here onward are negative integers. Positive integers are to the right of 0 and are getting bigger. And negative integers are to the left of 0 and are getting smaller. So, in general, numbers get bigger as you go from this way to this way. Even though these are negative numbers, when you're going this way, they're actually getting bigger and bigger and bigger until they get positive. Okay? And then at the same time, numbers are getting smaller when you go this way. So if you start here or here, it doesn't matter. But if you go this way on the number line, numbers are getting smaller. So these are bigger negative numbers. A bigger negative number is smaller than a smaller negative number. Okay? So minus 18 is more negative, so it's a smaller number than negative 10. Okay? Just something to remember. So now step 1. Each interval represents 1. Not all points are labeled. We could see not all the points are labeled. But we know that minus 15 is between minus 16 and minus 14. So here's minus 16 and minus 14. So minus 15 should be right in between there. So this is minus 15. And for negative 7, we know it's between minus 8 and minus 6, which is here. So we know minus 7 would be right here. And there it is. And that's it. And that's how you graph negative integers on a number line. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can watch the video as you follow along in the ebook. As well, there's links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar, so you can check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.